Hello. Today I will talk about how you can add all code in one file in Angular project. So if you are aware of Angular components, so in the Angular components we have multiple files like HTML, CSS, TS and testing file. So means there are two ways to handle the component layout, component file structure. So you can also add all the code in the one file. So let me show you what is components in Angular. So this is single component. So each component consists of the HTML file, CSS file, testing file and TS file. So means at some cases we need to use need to use code in one file. So how you can achieve that? So let me share it here. So I will talk about how you can write all code like styling, functionality, HTML in one file using template styles property of the component decorator. So there are some decorators. With that we can achieve this thing. So as we know, in Angular we work on components. So Angular also gives you the ability to code in one TypeScript file, means you can write HTML, CSS code in in the TS file. This can be achieved using the template and style properties of component director. So let me show you what are the decorators in Angular. So if you open the TS file, so this is a decorator. This is a component decorator. So it has these key values, these properties. So here you need to modify this thing to make the single component. So with that you can also reduce your files. So you add styling and UI code in a single file. No need to make another file. It is a simple way. Sometimes it is very helpful to write code in one file. So let me show you practically how it happens. So firstly I need to show you how normal components are working. So let's take an example of so let's take an example of this two-way binding component. So this is the HTML of the component, this is the CSS, whatever CSS is written, this is the testing, and this is the functionality part. So you can merge all those things in the single file. You can also check this after creating a new component. So let me create a new component here. So with the ngGC demo, it will create a new component. And it has 4 files. So I think currently it is displaying some warning, that is why the component is not created. So if I try on this project, let me show you. So this is the another project. So I have created a single component, demo component. So let's see how many files it created. So it has created the 4 files: HTML, CSS, testing and TS. So now you can merge the code of all those files in the single file. So let me show you how you can achieve that. So firstly, pick up the selector and add this in the main component HTML so that you can see what it renders. Let me stop the another project. So now it will run the project on the 4200 port. So here you can see in the demo component we have selector, template URL and style URLs. So let's wait till the project will run. So it is running now. On 4200 port. So there is one prerequisite, that means you must have the knowledge of Angular little bit. So here you can see this is, it has binded the demo component. Now we will modify the code and we will add all the code in a single file. So to achieve that, what you need to do, so selector is remaining the same that it is previously written. So selector is the same. Now we need to change the this template. We need to add this this property to achieve that. So here you can add the template and you need to remove this template URL now. So in the template, what you need to do, you need to write your HTML. So whatever the HTML is written here, you can write it here. So we have configured the HTML now. Now let's move to the new styles. So you need to remove the style URLs and you need to use styles here. So we can add any style here. So here we have added this style. So here we have paragraph element. So add here paragraph element. So it is very easy to configure. So as you can see here, we have configured the selector, template and styles. So let me run that. So as you can see here, now it is taking the HTML and TS from that component. Now you can delete all these files. Only that file you needed now. So this is the way you can easily configure all code in single file. So thanks for watching.